Nate, hold. Yeah. Hold. And here we go. That's it. Keep going. Couple more strokes. Alright, relax. I think you can want to get this and after the little rapid. Alright, forward paddle. We gotta get over to the right. You want to get rapid on the left. Right. See that relax. Where I'm angling? Yeah, that's for the good rapid.
No, I'm getting my foot out.
Turn left, turn left. Start paddle.
No, not every time I go down the river. Chelsea lives an unleashed life. She
had your ad going to hold herself out like
that's true. I just don't, I'm not afraid of the water, so if I'm going down...
Okay, you keep us in there, let's keep paddling forward until we get over there. Forward paddle. Forward paddle.
So we're on double draw.
That's looking great.
Wow, it's huge. That's gigantic. Whoa.
Good job. Good job.
Wow.
Back paddle.
That's gigantic.
Back paddle.
That is gigantic. That's gigantic. Yeah, I gotta record it. That's a good one. I've never been on that one.
Did you go yesterday?
Not on the main, on the baby. That's it.
Back paddle. Back. Alright, relax. Maker. Hey, Chad, what was that called? Double draw. That was double draw. That was double. Did it come down from the road side or the other side?
Had to been. I think it's that.
Double draw.
That is great. That is a good rapid. What?
Yeah.
This, yeah. I went down the baby run.
Back paddle right side. Back paddle right side. Think about double draw. Straight up. Here we go. There we go. If you want to do some donations and just plant a couple of big rocks here and there.
You could have an amazing, yeah. Especially on the slow part.
Yeah. Make some work doing this. It's awesome.
Be awesome.
You just get a helicopter.
I know, especially because they get money from the tourists. You would want to do that. It's not hard to do that.
Unless it was so popular, then. Forward. Alright, forward paddle. We'll follow that forward.
Paddle, guys, the heart on the right. Show us your muscles, Chad. Okay, you guys are good now.
Get us over there.
We don't want to be too close.
There we go.
No, not too close. Alright. That's good. Now forward. Forward.
Good job. Excellent. Good job.
Whoa, suck me in.
Alright, left turn, left turn, left turn.
I fell out. I fell on, Dad.
Start paddle. Get away from Tracy's rock.
Yep. That one.
Because you come, you're trying to avoid that rock, and then the
It's not
We
as
got in a
high
water fight.
into it.
And they were kind we got in a water fight. Then all the girls wanted to paddle, so all the girls had to paddle, so we gave it to everybody. It was Jamie's first time guiding. We were all getting in a water fight, not even thinking about that, and we turned, and next thing we know, bam. No, with another boat. Yeah. Right.
And they were smart enough to not hit the rock.
Well, they were trying to get us occupied, so we would get it.
So you guys flipped and they just laughed.
Yeah. And then Melinda, like, and Jamie claimed that whole thing was just more dangerous than like. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Fire paddle.
Or was it Ross? Yeah, he was.
Rod and Sheila, Jerry. How come Rod didn't come? Alright, relax.
I mean, we're pretty proud of it, but...
Right.
And I want to be able to report. Right there.
How come Rod didn't come?
Rod?
Yeah. Did you invite him?
He was invited. We invited the kitchen sink.
Who was that guy last night? Some guy.
Nate?
Yeah.
Nate Taylor?
Who's that?
He's my age. He's Taylor's up by the Grover. In First Ward.
Yeah. Back paddle.
Clint Taylor?
No, First Ward.
That Clint Taylor.
Oh, the one up by Johnson?
The dad,
Died?
right by...
The dad passed away?
The dad did pass away. I don't know who.
Okay, and so she's...
So Julie's cousin.
Fire paddle! So Clutch invited him.
He comes every once in a while. He comes, yeah.
Alright, relax. I've never seen him before.
You don't come on the years
I've come like...
It's been about 3 years.
Alright, we're gonna take this back.
So,
I think Mary Jo is probably
I think they've come more than
Alright, Lad and Chad, you guide us in this. We'll go backwards.
Yeah, I was going to say, this is perfect. Let's just get Grandpa wet here. Go.
His dad died pretty young, right? Like, how old is he? 40?
And Dad, he's a little empty. Look at that.
Oh,
He's
well,
smiling.
I might not get mixed up. That's the Grover.
He's trying to turn, guys, so he can get wet.
Wait, the Grobergs died?
When they were, she raised the kids alive.
Grobergs. How do I Grobergs?
This is the one on the very Julie.
Taylor. Chris Grover.
They were the one.
I don't even know any of those people.
Hey, here's a rock. Let's go to the left of the rock.
Left of the rock?
So that was,
She was a nurse. She had 3 kids and 4 kids.
he died in a...
She raised them. Julie, Sarah, Taylor, and Julie and comes up here. She's a cluster hawk.
Okay, so her dad died. Wow. How old was she?
I don't know. They were little. I never
Did
knew
she ever
that.
get remarried or she?
No.
Forward paddle.
Fire paddle!
You ran it.
This is big enough, we gotta take it on the side. Back paddle, right side. Back paddle, right side. Yeah, forward! Forward!
Hard forward, hard forward, hard forward.
Get shot! There you go! Listen to me, Dallin. I know what I'm doing. Yeah, I was trying to stay from those guys.
I feel a little more strong. I know. I really do. It hit me in the back of the head. I am kind of different.
looking at doing any real estate still? Or is it hard to find?
Well, yeah, but I got one brewing. Cheryl and I got one brewing, and I just bought 3, and I sold 1.
And you're paying cash for all of them, each one you do,
No,
right?
2. The last 2 I bought, I've been doing a loan on.
So how much do I need for straight cash?
They asked 25% down, and I'm doing anything under 2 million.
Real estate.
25.
But if you're just going to do straight cash, can you find it around 200,000? I think it's for like 150.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, 102. The one that Cheryl and I are working on is 123.
Are you going to do any more real estate, Chad, or are you done? Are you going to do any more real estate, or are you done?
Buying more properties.
I got to do something.
So I'm happy to buy
We're traveling in five-star hotels every weekend.
Well, I probably look at
when
it.
it's
I want $1 million
Really?
very good. I hope you don't mind.
How long does it take you to sell them?
Well, right, I've got the neighbors.
Clinic Med Stadium.
Relax! And I got
Relax. Forward.
Forward! No, just relax. Take it. Take it in there.
We're good now.
Hey, pull. Okay, lad, tell us about this little rapid right here in my walk. What happened? What's it called?
It's called what?
Water comes over that and creates keeper and
I want to remember the good rapids. Like, I remember kayak.
Dad tells the story of guy came and down to the dory. The dory got caught in there and just kept bouncing around. And it broke the boat up. Is that the one that broke the boat up? Boat broke up. He had his life jacket.
He finally took his life jacket off, hoping it would work.
Well, and why did he take his life jacket off?
Because he couldn't get out.
Up underneath.
He
'Cause he
thought
kept on
could go
getting
down
stuck.
and come out.
Yeah.
And did he? He died?
But that was the very, very last resort because with his life jacket on.
Because
he
his
kept
life
the
jacket,
water-
because his life jacket was off. His life jacket was off
Oh, his life jacket was off.
when they found him.
I think, how many people have died up here? Do they keep track of that?
I have no idea.
A lot, Trish?
I don't know if you guys have read or not, but the last guy that I know that died was, what, 2 or 3 years ago? And
He jumped
He
off
was
lunch
drunk.
counter.
and was swimming, decided to swim across from one side to the next and didn't put a life jacket on. He didn't make it. So the moral of the story is, please don't drink and keep your life jacket on.
But if you do get in some sort of a keeper,
Just
are there
keep your
other
life-
options to get out?
Just keep your life
On a
jacket
keeper,
on.
yes.
Just wait till a
One of
boat
the
picks you
most
up.
Natural keepers, you can swim to one side or the other, and it'll pull you out. Now, when I say a natural,
Oh, I see.
for example, if you get into a dam, you know, you got maybe a dam going across and it's constant. That's a problem. Because you don't have one side or the other to get out. But we're going to get to one right down here. It's called Taco Hole.
Now that's what it's like.
Yeah. And that is a mini keeper depending on the well or the water going down. And we've had, in fact, maybe Lad, you were with me. We had kayaks get in there, and they've had a little problem.
What happens if people don't make it at
Well,
Go down to the lake.
okay, let me, Dallin has a story to tell you about that.
Draw.
We have this famous, right title, sorry.
That's so shallow right there.
Good job. Okay, the story is if you miss takeout, then you do what Dallin did. So he'll tell you a story that we had this famous Avon raft. Go ahead, Dallin.
Sherilyn has an experience with the 6-man raft. The 6-man raft's just completely flattened. I think lots of people have that experience. I think that happened to everybody. Because that happened to Sherilyn and me.
I thought there was only 4, but Dallin is thinking there was 5.
But what happened was, since we were underwater, we couldn't really move the boat.
Right.
And so we totally missed it, and we couldn't get it to the side because it was so slow. So we went down and
trying to even get out and drag it.
kind of walked on the side and dragged it all the way back up. I told Dad to leave it, but he wanted it. I don't know why, because he's never used it since.
So, that's your natural green, right? In your eyes. Or your but they're not colored.
No. Those are his natural
I've
things.
never noticed that eyes so green as they are right now.
They changed the plan of the light and a beach and green M&M's.
Of green grapes.
Fire paddle!
It varies.
Relax!
Still blinking?
So you guys staying after this, or you going after this run?
I don't know. I don't know yet. What are you doing? Probably might be the last one. This might be my last.
Hey! Right paddle just below. Let's hit that rock and let's hit it.
Forward paddle.
I guess no one was with Mitchell when he got hooked up
Is,
on the rock.
is that the one?
I wondered where it was.
I bet that could be it.
A lot of rocks on the river.
It was a station?
Well, they said it's the first Rafting.
Oh yeah, get that on your GoPro. Can you zoom in?
Not on this one. But it's an Osprey.
Which one is that one?
Osprey.
It's
I
the
mean,
first
your
one. It's the
camera.
first GoPro that they came out
I
with.
should have brought mine, because mine's the...
Would it fit in this container?
Yeah.
You can take it next round. You can take the case. You can. I think you can zoom in with the software editor.
So the market was down 60 yesterday.
Was it?
When we get down here by where the boat is, then we'll have a little competition.
Yeah?
We'll try our beaver slap, and then we'll see who can play Boss of Bunker Hill.